Wake, tutorial for removing and refitting the interior liner. The interior consists of several components. First, remove the lower deflector under the chin. Unfasten the snap buttons. Then remove the deflector. First, remove the cheek pads. Unfasten the snap buttons that secure the cheek pad. Pull to remove the piece from its position. Remove the strap and remove the side pad. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Unfasten the snap buttons that secure the cheek pad. Remove the strap and remove the other side pad. Now remove the central piece. At the back, unfasten the snap buttons that hold the piece in place. Remove the plastic band holding the front part of the liner in place in the space provided between the shell and the protective padding. Remove the central piece. This will separate the interior liner pieces from the inside of the helmet. Now proceed to install the interior liner. Start with the central piece. Insert the plastic band securing the front part of the liner into the space provided between the shell and the protective padding. Secure the rear with the two snap buttons. Fit the side cheek pads. Insert the strap into its housing in the pad. Insert the protrusion of the pad into the side of the helmet between the shell and the protective padding. Secure the snap buttons that hold the side pads in place. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Insert the strap into its housing in the pad. Insert the protrusion of the pad into the side of the helmet between the shell and the protective padding. Secure the snap buttons that hold the side pads in place. Fit the lower deflector under the chin. Secure the snap buttons. Your helmet is now ready for use.